from now is outdoors. We're getting ready to go fishing the locks and dams here. Stick with me and we'll show you what we get. If it gets light enough, I'll put the action camera on. See you in a bit. Just now getting light enough to film. That's one of my homemade lures there. First fish of the morning is a big old drum. Can't hardly get him in there. Let's see what we do. Another one of my lures. I think it is another drum. Yeah. Might be. At least the same size. That's another lure I made. What did you say, 4.5 pounds?
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. Hope the action cam got it. We'll see you in a bit. Getting old and slow, I guess. Fish on. Shoulders on him there. He's taking drag, I don't know. Hey, coming in now. Come on now. Woo! Took off again. This one's a lot more fun. I think it's another drum. You gotta be kidding me. Oh. Yep, another drum. He got, that lure was down in his mouth. Oh, darn. Alright. Oh, I barely got him. That's the third one. That there's right at 4 pounds. I don't think we'll take his picture. Stripers ain't running, drum or. There he goes. Well, I've caught 3 drum over 4 pounds, and Keith says I'm walking home. We're going to try another spot, see if the hybrids are running. I'm making another lure. Let me show you what it looks like. That's all we done right there. Stripers never did turn on, didn't see anybody catching them, so we're gonna head out of here. Thanks for coming to Al's Outdoors. Always share your fire.